Before we start with the similar triangle, we have to understand the basic proportionate theorem. Basic proportionate theorem, or in short we say BPT, or it is Thales theorem. Thales theorem is that in a triangle statement, in a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle, one side of triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. Meaning by given is triangle ABC where DE is parallel to BC. Prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon E. Construction is draw DM perpendicular on AC and EN perpendicular on AB and join BE and CD. Now we have to prove AD upon DB. So we'll take this left hand side. We'll take triangle ADE and triangle DEB. Area of triangle ADE and area of triangle DEB is half into DA into EN, and this will be half into DB into EN. In obtuse triangle, the perpendicular lies outside. So this is obtuse angle triangle, the perpendicular is outside. This is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is DA upon DB. If you see, first side is this. Now area of triangle at the right hand side, ADE upon area of triangle DEC is equal to half into AE into EN, DM and half into EC into D. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. AE upon EC. Now if we have to see that, we have to see both, we have to make equal. Now if you see carefully, these two triangles are equal, so we have to make these two equal. So we will write area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle this and this, because triangles on same base and between same lengths. So this is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, it is proved that DA upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Hence This is our theorem. Now we have corollary of this. Corollary of this is what? Corollary of this is in triangle ABC, a line DE is parallel to BC, intersect AB in D and AC at E. Prove that AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. Triangle ABC, D and E. As we know, DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by basic proportionate theorem. We have to prove AB upon AD. From here we have to see what is given to us. Given is AD. Well, we will put that into denominator. The reciprocal, that will be DB upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. Now adding 1 both sides. When we add both sides, it will DB upon AD plus 1 EC upon AE plus 1. When we add or subtract, then hardly make any difference. DB plus AD is equal to AE EC plus AE. Now if we see carefully, DB plus AD, it becomes AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE, or hence right. Now converse of basic proportionate theorem is converse of basic proportionate theorem. Converse of basic proportionate theorem is in a triangle if a line divides given triangle ABC and AD upon DE, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Prove that DE is parallel to BC. In a triangle, if a line divides the two sides proportionally, that line will be parallel to the third side. So construction, draw DE dash parallel to BC. Proof DE dash is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD upon DB will be equal to AE dash upon E dash C. Basic proportional theorem. But AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That is given. So, therefore, AE upon EC should be equal to AE dash upon EC dash. From here, point E and E dash must coincide. Must coincide which is not possible, therefore DE is parallel to this, hence we do few sums. Example number 1. Example number 1 is, in a given triangle A B C A E and D F, given AE is parallel to DF and DE is parallel to AC. To prove that BF upon EF is equal to BE upon EC. As lines are parallel, we will have two triangles. First triangle is triangle ABE. DF is parallel to AE, therefore BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FC by basic proportionate theorem. This is now triangle ABC. In ABC, DE is parallel to AC, therefore DB upon DA is equal to BE upon EC, again by basic proportionate theorem. From 1 and 2, if you see from 1 and 2, then this and this is equal from 1 and 2, therefore BF upon FC is equal to BE upon EC, hence example 2. Example 2 is triangle ABC. O is a point between the triangle such that AB, given AB is parallel to DE, EF is parallel to BC. Prove that DF is parallel to AC. So proof is triangle OAB, DE is parallel to AB, therefore OD upon DA is equal to OE upon EB by basic proportionate theorem. Then triangle OBC, EF is parallel to BC, therefore OE upon EB is equal to OF upon FC, again by basic proportionate theorem. Now if we see carefully, these two are equal, therefore OD upon DA is equal to OF upon FC. OD upon DA is equal to OF upon FC. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionate theorem, what will be there? DF is parallel to AC. Hence, example 3. Example 3 is triangle ABC DE given DE is parallel to BC, AD is 4, BD is 5, this is X, this is 2. Find AE or X. Proof. DE is parallel to BC, therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by basic proportionate theorem. So AD 4 by 5 is equal to X by 20. X is equal to 4 into 20 by 5. 4. X is equal to 16 centimeter. That is all for today.